In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Figma files to desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a clean, standalone copy of your design as a .fig file, so you can back it up, share it, or archive it outside of the cloud. Start with your design open in Figma. Look to the very top left corner of the window for the small Figma icon. It's the multicolored logo that sits above the canvas. Click that icon to open Figma's main menu. This menu is where you'll find all of your high-level file actions and app settings, and it's the quickest way to access save, export, and import options without digging around the interface. Once the menu is open, move your cursor to the File section. You don't need to click yet. Just hover over File to expand its submenu. When you hover, Figma reveals all the related commands tucked under that category. This is where options like saving, duplicating, and importing live. And it's also where the local save command is located. Now select Save Local Copy, click that option, and Figma will prompt your operating system to open a standard save dialog. Here you can choose exactly where to place the file. Select your desktop if you want it front and center, or pick a specific folder if you're organizing by project. Give the file a clear descriptive name that reflects the current state of your design. You'll notice the file type is .fig. That's Figma's native file format for local copies. Keep that extension as is, then confirm the save. Figma will generate the local file and save it to the location you picked. For larger projects with lots of pages, components, or images, this may take a moment. When it's done, you'll have a snapshot of your design at that exact point in time. This local copy is independent of version history in the cloud, making it a great safety net for milestones, handoffs, or offline work. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Use consistent naming, like including a date or version tag, so it's easy to track progress over time. If your team collaborates heavily, consider saving a local copy after major merges or before refactors, just in case you need to roll back. And remember, this action doesn't change anything about your cloud file. It simply creates a separate backup you control on your machine. That's it. Click the Figma icon, hover over File, and choose Save Local Copy. With that simple flow, you've secured your design to your desktop and kept your work safely backed up.